Today unboxing is on the recent pair of Tomica Limited Vintage Ferrari Dino 246GT and also the 246GTS. TLV has released a very similar pair of Ferrari Dino before, the 246GT Type M and also the convertible in red. And now let's take a closer look at the Ferrari Dino 246GT in white. As always, it comes with a bio card for the TLV in square box. It also comes with side mirror in a separate component that require user assembly, which I really disagree. As compared with other TLV 164 casting, the Ferrari Dino is pretty compact. It comes in gloss finish, closed in ivory white in body color. It also comes with opening rail which is loose, similar to other TLV castings. I like the details on the rear and also the chrome parts around the 246GT. In conclusion, the 246GT Type E is a pretty decent casting in white, but still my preference will be the Type M in red body color, which I think is gorgeous. Next, the Ferrari Dino 246GTS convertible in black. Similar bio card just like the rest of the Ferrari TLV. Side mirror and Targa top in a separate component. Unlike the previous casting, this convertible give me the wow factor. I really like the body color in high gloss black. It looks really premium and really finish. And because it's a convertible, you can see more effort is invested onto the interior. And just like the hardtop casting, it comes with opening rear, which is loose. Details for the rear and the chrome parts are equally impressive, and I think it stands out better against the black body color. The 246GTS also looks equally impressive with a closed top as opposed to the convertible. You can see it's very loosely fitted as well, similar to other TLV castings. Overall, I think the Ferrari Dino makes a great pair in black and white. I'll prefer the black more because I think it stands out better than the white. The body color is gorgeous, and I like the intricate details on the black way better. In conclusion, this pair is a great addition to the ever-growing Ferrari TLV range. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!